Hello and welcome to our channel Tech Z Point. In this video, we'll be discussing the recent launch of ChatGPT-4 by OpenAI. ChatGPT-4 is the latest version of OpenAI's popular chatbot service. It was launched on March 14, 2023 and has been touted as a major upgrade to its predecessor, GPT-3. The company claims that this new model exhibits human-level performance on various professional tests. So what makes ChatGPT-4 so special? Well, according to OpenAI, this latest model is not only more creative but also more intelligent and less likely to invent facts. It can be accessed through the $20 paid version of its ChatGPT chatbot. But that's not all. ChatGPT-4 comes with several new features that make it stand out from previous versions. For example, so what are some of the new features that make ChatGPT-4 stand out? Well, according to OpenAI, image input. ChatGPT-4 can accept image queries. This means that users can now use images to interact with the chatbot in addition to text. 2. Different personalities. ChatGPT-4 has different personalities. This means that users can choose from a variety of personalities for their chatbot experience. 3. Harder to trick. ChatGPT-4 is harder to trick or jailbreak. This means that it is more difficult for users to manipulate the chatbot into providing inaccurate or inappropriate responses. 4. Longer memory. ChatGPT-4 has a longer memory. This means that it can remember previous conversations and provide more contextually relevant responses. 5. More languages. GPT-4 works with more languages. This means that users can now interact with the chatbot in a wider variety of languages. Overall, it seems like these new features make ChatGPT-4 an exciting upgrade from its predecessor. Its improved intelligence and creativity make it an exciting tool for users looking for a more advanced chat experience. Overall, it seems like ChatGPT-4 is a big step forward for AI chatbots. Its improved intelligence and creativity make it an exciting tool for users looking for a more advanced chat experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.